Yeah. Yeah. Look, Harry 2, I'ma give you a tag. Ready?
Scary Harry overture.
Yeah. Mind our metaphysics. Hot top coupe look better with it. Started rapping as a way for me to get attention. Mind your business, if you don't get it, then you ain't with it. You want from me, I'm getting it without the gimmicks. With the tunes, I told them clowns that I was fixing divots. We celebrating, keep them rounds coming, sipping Guinness. Try to take it from me, I turn into Liam Neeson. Getting plenty money, but I still don't feel defeated. Put my hand to my heart like I pledge allegiance. Many legends got their start underneath the bleachers. Being skinny like I'm Cal, funny like I'm Keenan. SRT inside the neon, I don't need a demon. Follow me, we gon' take over the whole world. Put a smile on and pose for the picture. Father, brother, sister, told my mama I missed her. I stay off the scissor, but I'm unlike Big Worm. I'm he, him, and Mister. I apply and get work. I feel like a mentor. I've been on for so long. Y'all been sleeping, you dozed. Multi-discipline like Jake Paul. I'm hot fire, napalm. Stay calm. She been hella patient. Told my girl it wouldn't take long. I've been in the basement ever since I quit my day job. Please don't act like I'm not popping around this. Out in London, I be stunting, pulling out 100 quid. Enough of the rubbish, shit pushing my buttons. I ain't got the time, Big Ben. You getting a pick, but don't forget, look, it's all about the lens. I got a friend with some benefits, and for her, I'm